I'm Garrett Foltyn. I'm from VCU College of Engineering, and I'm a computer science bachelor's. I worked with Justin Sampson at Deep Run AI Labs. I worked a lot on the UI and UX for the program, so I built most of the website and most of the backend for the website. So I built the user login, the labs that the user you can use for cyber testing and red team and blue team exercises. I learned a lot about AI and the new models that are coming out, specifically OpenAI's computer use preview, which allows an AI to have full control over a computer and run commands, click on the screen, and do a bunch of other stuff. I do plan on continuing there. We're currently in the process of working out an extension to my internship, hopefully through the end of my bachelor's and potentially later on.